Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS, James here. How are you today? In this video, we like to share the work that we already finished. The first stage in Mazda 6, and this one is the one 2005 Mazda 6, and it belonging to the generation 2002, and it can be up to 2007, and furthermore up to the second generation of 2012. But look at this. This 2005 actually has the automatic air conditioner control and radios, and event is here. Now the system fit on the top, very nice. But it's the first stage. We say that because at the second stage it will be just replaced by another new, specifically designed top frame, and then it will make it look beautifully 100%. Now everything is working by the function. Steering wheel controls all connected. Sound system is beautiful with the amplifier built inside the head unit, which is the premium one, and also the reverse camera, the top end camera that we actually fitted and make it look really perfect like a factory camera. So have a look at the back end now. Alright, so here's the back end of the Mazda 6. Very common. And have a look here. This Mazda, and the new camera is here. Okay, so the new camera looks 100% like a block of the car. There's no gap, no bracket, nothing. It looks like a block of the car. It is Full HD anti-glare super night vision reverse camera, the very top end camera that we have, and it's super wide angle as well. So when turn on the reverse, it will trigger the reverse camera into the very best, and you can see that the bottom here is the bumper bar and how super detailed it is. You can see that the back end of our workshop out there. Definitely it is super because it's the best camera that we actually have. And it quickly come back to the Apple CarPlay straight away when we put the gear, change the gear, and it come back to the reverse camera straight away as well. And that is the best camera ever. So far we fit in the system with the very best. Looking around the car, we retain the section here, so there's no change of this. The section here remain for very good looking. We still keep connecting all the power sources, but we keep the sound and the radio up to the new system, which is far better, the sound and the radios. Steering wheel control all good, as I mentioned before. 2 USB hidden away, and yep, and very nice hidden, enough extra microphone. So everything is ready, beautiful, and all good. So at the second stage, when we finish the replacement of the little top, we will get another video, but for now you can enjoy how it actually will be good looking, and it won't bother the driver from the view here, because with my seat here, I could see well over the top and on top of the dash down to the left side. All good, thank you, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a good Sunday.